I'm looking at the Lubluelu, I think that's how you say it, cordless vacuum cleaner. Now I'm going to open it up and see if we get inside. That's 25 kPa, self-standing, and 6-in-1. That has 50 minutes clean time. I presume that's on low power. That's the instructions. Just have a good read through them. It's got a detachable battery, so I'll put it on charge once I set it up. There's a bit to get with it. Let's see. Anyway, I'll have a read through the instructions on how everything works. Power cable, brush on top, got a cover on it as well. I'll leave it on for now. There's some screws for the wall mount for holding on the wall. Cleaning brush comes out. That's the main head. That's the battery. So I'll put that on charge. Filter. There's an attachment. And there's the main back. Just move this out of the way. Got the main back there, battery, cleaning brush. This I presume is the wall mount. Not quite sure. Oh yeah, it's got screw holes in it, so that'll be the wall mount. Cleaning brush. Screws. There's a tube. And the main brush. Filters, power lead, instructions. Anyway, as I say, I'm going to charge up the battery and then I shall give it a good try out. I've been using this for a bit now and it's working quite well. I put the mount on the wall. This holds the brush and the nozzle. And this just pulls off. Of course it will freestand and you can adjust it up and down with this. This disconnects here, disconnect the handpiece, and the battery disconnects here. Take the battery out, or you can charge it in situ. And that you can put the attachments on. There's a release catch on the other side of here. They go through and just release the button, and these slot in and lock in place. And as I say, they'll go back into the holder there. And this goes back on there. You have to put your foot on that to get it down. Your speeds, you can adjust the speed here, maximum, minimum, mid. Although I don't know why you'd have anything but maximum, but perhaps that's just me. To empty it, it's just a release button there. That releases the dust, and you turn this to release the filter and clean that out, and that just goes back in, slots in and tightens back up. That's that bit. Let's just give it a test. Got some bits here, just a mixture of different bits to show. Put some on the carpet, some on the floor, so you can see it. Let's start it up. Maximum speed. Seems to be picking that up quite well. Turn it off with the trigger to turn it off there, and there's the release catch on the bottom to just dump everything out. And that's about it. Anything I've missed I'll put in my full written review at the end.